Welcome to M Education TV. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Today we bring to you an exciting news about the 5th conference of All India Association of Montfort Schools. This virtual conference is our latest milestone in a series of conferences held so far. That's because over 3 days, All India Association of Montfort Schools think tank brought together around 2,500 practitioners and specialists from Montfort Education to a common platform to promote the theme Environmental Education Action Plan for Sustainable Growth. A recent research shows that 16% of high school students from high and middle income countries were to receive climate change education. We could see that 19 gigatons reduction of carbon dioxide by 2050. This is a clear indication of how important this conference was and what impact it would have. To grace such an important occasion, we had the Archbishop of Kolkata, Reverend Father Thomas D'Souza, as chief guest.
One of the 8 Millennium Development Goals proposed by United Nations for action is to ensure environmental sustainability. In order to ensure environmental sustainability, global political leaders and heads of government have been meeting regularly and proposing ways and means to reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 45% by 2030 compared to 2010 levels, and reach net zero emissions by 2050 to limit warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius as aspired in the Paris Agreement, while at the same time conserving and restoring biodiversity and minimizing pollution and waste.
Now we have from Rome, Brother Pratap Reddy, the Vice President of Montfort Education Foundation, addressing and sharing the commitment of Montfort Education Foundation.
In our education system, over the years, we have been inculcating in students the principles of Vasudhaiva Kutumbam.
We had great resource persons like Executive Director of Earth Charter International from Costa Rica, Mrs. Miriam Villela.
And with that, we have been doing research and training in that intersection.
Concluding the conference, we had the Superior General of Montfort Congregation from Rome, Brother John Calrical, who had exhorted the members to go ahead with conviction and courage.
The Pope has categorically stated that in the face of the contemporary ecological crisis, we stand in need of a deeper personal transformation and a radical renewal of our lifestyles. Obviously, for this transformation to happen, the role of education is paramount. The encyclical Fratelli Tutti too offers a lot of implications on education as the seed bed of character in order to achieve the global goals of inclusivity, common good, and solidarity founded on the dignity of the human person. The Earth Charter, too, is a declaration of fundamental ethical principles of building a just, sustainable, and peaceful global society in the 21st century. Therefore, it's my ardent prayer and sincere hope that this conference will inspire each one of the participants.
This is Mrs. Rajani signing off. We will have opportunities to share more of our common concerns for education.